Hello, friends. I'm Crypto Ali, and welcome to the world of airdrops and cryptocurrencies. Here, we dive into the tasks, challenges, and exciting opportunities that the world of airdrops has to offer. Showing you how to take advantage of these opportunities and make money easily. Our goal is to bring you practical and professional tutorials while keeping you updated on the hottest news and upcoming projects. So, if you're ready to dive into the world of airdrops and cryptocurrencies with us, let's get started.